Hi everyone. I just wanted to kind of go over what I posted for you to work on for civics. If you go into the content section, you'll see that there's a lesson called under Intro to Civics. You'll see that there's a lesson called Leadership. So if you could please review this PowerPoint and make notes. Probably the best thing for you to do is to read over all of it, but if you wanted to write notes in your notebook, you can just write this part here that's in yellow. This is more so the one that's highlighted in blue is more so a further explanation of what it is that I want you to know there. So once you've reviewed the PowerPoint and made notes on it, I'd like you to go back into that section where it was Intro to Civics, and I'd like you to complete this article that I have posted. You can read over the article and then there are some questions that go along with it. As I stated in the course announcements, you can work with someone virtually if you'd like to. So if there's someone that you know in class and you guys want to have a FaceTime discussion with one another, that's completely up to you. Or you can do it alone. It's just a bit of reflection. Also, it's a formative assignment, so it won't count towards your final grades. Once you guys have completed the questions, if you worked with a partner, only one person has to submit, and just make sure that both of your names, your first name and your last name, are both on the assignment that you're going to be dropping. So just go ahead and drop it into the Dropbox that I've created there. So again, this is a formative assignment. So take your time in completing it. I'm going to be checking on Friday, April 24th to see how far we've gotten so far. So hope to look for your new assignments. So if there's any questions or concerns, you know that you can email me at p0068068086@pdsb.com. Take care.